Hello guys, welcome back po sa aking munting channel, Busy Ako Vlog. For today's videos guys is nandito pa kami sa guys, sa yung malaking flag guys. Yan. Malaking flag, may na siya guys, may parang parola dito guys. May may boat guys, ayan. May boat guys. Ang lawak na dito guys. Dito banda guys, to guys, water to guys, tubig to guys. Nung namasyal kami dito guys, yung tawag doon, may nag-operate pa dito, parang nilalagyan ng ng mga batong malaki guys dito. Medyo matagal-tagal na rin kami hindi nakapunta dito guys. Ayun ang lawak na ng ng parang na siya guys, yung dugtong na siya doon sa likod guys. Yung may yung mga paaralan yan guys, hindi yan guys yung bahay, paaralan yan guys. Yala, Farus kam. Kunti lang tao guys. Yung yung may ng kuan guys, yung light guys. Planta yan guys, ewan ko kung anong klaseng planta yan guys. Ayan, malaking planta yan guys. Ayan. Yan dyan guys, yan, tindahan ng mga isda guys. Ayan. Doon naman guys, doon guys, yan guys, yan guys, yan guys, Albuhaira. Ayan. Ganda tingnan guys pag gabi. Ayan. Kita pala dito yung malaking Ferris wheel guys. Ayan. Ganda dito guys. Blue dyan sa guys, sa kabila guys. Dito pink, parang pink siya guys. Ayan, pink siya guys. Pink siya ang kulay guys. Ayan, dugtong na pala yan doon guys. Dito hanggang doon. Ayan. Ang ganda yung mga part nila. Palas? Ha? Ay, yan na. Alis na kami guys. Punta daw kami sa nanay niya. Ayan. Yala, come. Eat your nuts. Yala, we will go. Balik na kami guys.
Agad.
Oh, hi.
Agad.
Yan. Yan guys. It's nice here if you bring the bicycle.
Huh?
It's nice here if bicycle sa.
Mom? He gave me this one.
Maybe he don't want. Alas.
Yeah, cut. Faris, Faris.
Playing.
No. It's so dangerous if he does that. Here is nice.
Where?
Beach.
Yeah.
I wish I would swim.
And then we have big fish. Big fish.
Big fish, small fish inside?
Yeah.
shark inside?
Hello, nothing. Maybe nothing.
Whale?
No, no, it's not a whale. Fish only. Maybe they are catching the small fish.
Electric fish?
Huh? Electric fish? Maybe it's not electric fish. Because you see that one, that's a supermarket of the fish.
Yeah.
This one. Meats and
Yeah,
anything.
from a long time I used to come
Yeah, and
here.
then we have the boat. I think that's a fisherman, that boat.
I know the other side
Mm.
of it, there's like boats and these stuff, and there's like white stuff. They put in it the fish and put it inside.
Mm.
I went to it a lot when I bring fish.
Oh.
Why is it so hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
Inside the restaurant, there is air.
Nothing air.
There is inside the cafeteria. There.
Ah, we have aircon. AC. Yalla. We will go to mama.
But they say it's not allowed, kids. And Rashid is inside.
No, it's allowed, but it's not allowed to bring the ball.
Ah. Who's Emma?
Huh?
Who's Emma?
Amma?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You know, from a long time when we went, you were there. When we went to garden, I went like this scooter. I was like 6 years or 7. This from here was Harban. And then when I was running so fast, I fell here with all blood.
Oh my God.
We went to the pharmacy, put plaster big here.
Yeah, because maybe we have a
White
blood clot
plaster?
here.
Look, white plaster and medicine. White
Oh
medicine.
my God.
You were in the garden.
Me?
Yeah, you and Salma and Omar and
Ah.
Rashid Raya. Faris wasn't coming,
Mm.
and Khalia wasn't here. Khalia and Faris wasn't
Yeah,
here.
yeah.
And Raya was still small.
It's a big problem.
Ivana, Khalia really likes Rashid. Because Rashid play with her.
Ah, yeah.
I really want Faris, and you take Ghalia, I want Faris. Because Ghalia almost, she broke everything. She broke one glass.
Oh?
And Ali broke one mirror.
Oh my God.
And my sister broke 2 soap glass. And Ali broke 1 soap glass. I didn't broke anything. My mom is tired by breaking the house. And
Always
the
broken.
wardrobes in the kitchen keeps breaking by itself.
Oh my God.
Not stand it up. Because the house is so old. We took the house when I was like 3 or 2 years. Now I'm 10.
It's old, yeah. It's old.
Like 7 years like this. Because my mom wants to find a new house, but we don't find a perfect one. There's like small, big. Like when my mom goes to a new house,
No.
she sees like so small in the front. So she doesn't want small in the front.
Ah, she like big.
Yeah, big like this.
We need to bring them in the Bella.
No? Villa?
No, your mom.
Oh yeah. But we have 4 kids.
Yeah.
We need like 5 bedrooms. Each.